All right, at the bottom of pump track, cruising into A-Dog. Gonna do a little run through of my lines on A-Dog. Little hop there into the entrance. All right, nice berm, pull double. Another nice berm. Cool, yeah, so lots of good pumping here to clear this double. Cool, and then here, I pop to the right side and then rail the berm over the rock, rail the next berm. Cool, and then we can pump, pull double here, and then there's this new double, cased it a little bit, pumping through, little scrub off that one. All right, this is a tricky tight corner here. Pull double there. Yeah, so super flowy. Couple roots though. All right, I pull right. Some people pull left back there, but for some reason I always like the right. Cool. Yeah. Key to all this Southside Galby stuff, finding transitions and just pumping through, avoiding the rough stuff. That's got rough stuff no matter what. All right, and now we're coming into the step down, step up. It always blows my mind that Mike Geezy was able to do that triple back there. I don't get that. Yeehaw! All right, and I always try to pull a little jump there. Woo! Came in a little hot. Yeah, this section is fun. Trying to brake before the corners. Sweet, and now we're coming up on the wall ride. Woo! Always a little scared of that, not gonna lie. But it's pretty dry today. Nice little trail double. And then the last fast section, I try to straighten it out, go wide at the end there, and that's A-Dog. Sweet. Hope